big blood clot batch come slung for me. No gal. No gal with no big bad. Don't come here. You're in, you're out, you're in, you're out, you're in, your blood clot out. When me pussy clot, me can't get not even a rose. No, you know that can't work. What I do? Tell me what I do. You mad? No, it can't work. No, it can't work. Can't work. It cannot work. Me don't want so much on the con slump on me. How much you want for go yasso? How much you want for go yasso? Me go look. We want 17K for go this. I say we can't go this and go this. So you mad? No! No, not tonight. Yeah. Not tonight. Can't film with 1.4K, 1.5K people. And we are play one match. Out of the 1.5K people, I want somebody or two, somebody throw a money gun. That means say the rest of Uno no make no sense. So I don't want Uno, yeah. I don't want Uno, yeah. Because if we're not going to recharge to play the match, about the live end, I want to go and both of them is amigo about minds. Remember, you know, it's live streaming, it's very hard. Don't feel like it's an easy blood clot, because the amount of bring down me get me, no know how me still have my mentality. Me not sit down with no one pint, none can on nobody, and me not get nothing. Me could shoot and party after. Me do so much I want here. Me I take coke. Eh? Blood clot. Tani, thank you. Blood clot. And them something we are talk about. Me not see with so much other get nothing. Me a puppy show. Look at me a puppy show. Read, yes. Recharge to Keisha put something. See it there? You know too much I want over here. We are going to play one match with where him name there. We are look stump on the board. Me don't want a crowd for me. A night a draw break. After push a drop out. Me not slung with so much I'm going to get nothing. Me are going to end this and leave. Me not slung with so much I'm going to get nothing. Thank you. You're crazy. We have to reach out to go play one match. Why me for so with so much I'm going to get nothing? Me a idiot? Look at somebody with a stiff coke. Me no idiot. Me a look something pan the board. Me go power tap like so we can get to 100K like. Not too much. Every night you come here with it. Me not do it tonight. A night now. Me go shoot and then chat after. Me no want a crowd pan me. Me not do watch night. It's when I go 9 night and food on yam, people them gonna yard. Me say Keisha, it's over 9 night and the food done share. 9 night, blood clot done. See that? 9 night is over. Why was so with the whole I'm not get nothing? And them something me I talk about. Shake them off cause someone heavy. I'm never restart moon get that. Tani, thank you. And I like me I tell Christina, me ever shake off someone heavy. With a big heavy load. See there? Blood clot. We're going to find the match now. Wait the Tani there. Wait. Because Tani have to get some help. Because Tani girls have help put nothing a pure war over this. A pure tag and war. I'm going to look for my good friend. Thank you, Boo. Hold on. I'm going to look for my friend. Where am there? What this is so? Them something I can't bother with now, you know. Come here, kick who you for black you. Me no want you over here. Go back over Tadania, Cody. Me no want you over here. Go back over Tadania. Me no want you over here. No watch out that program here. Yeah. You know watch out that program. Go back over Tadania. Can't get nothing for you. Every day you come here. Me not really nice, you know. Go back over Tadania. Can't work out.
Guys,
one back over Tadania. Yes, one back over life. No why you over here, you in, you out, you in, you out. Me not do them the work there. Then the service is not done by me. Come on, my work. I hope I bring down my get today, so. You understand what I say? Wallapa bring down, Wallapa hard sweat and tears I put in on the app. Yeah. I mean, I make nobody come tell me none of mockery. Leave my bill and me get for prosper. Me go look what match play with my good friend over there. So when I reach out, me go help out Tani. Tani, thank you so much, my baby. Me black, that's so good, boy. Yeah. Stop request me. Me not really nice. Come on, my work a serious work me depend. Yeah. Me never restart one get that. Me say someone heavy like lead. Me don't know why I'm not going on the bed. Alright. Say bumbo. I look for my good friend. How am there? I don't see him. Alright. We no go tell Trace already. Chat we go reach out, we go play one best out of 3 with Trey. We have to help out Tani. I thought me on someone go in over here. We not do no sit down pan tonight. I'm gonna restart again. Me don't want a crowd pan me. Yeah, look it. To that one Friday night. Too much. The day can't be the same. The youth them agree. Yes, so with so much one that I'm gonna get on. Depend that. No for true. If me never restart, won't get that Tani tank so much. Me no want a crowd away upon me. Go on a bed, go on a bed, go on a bed. Yeah, me find one match play and get rid of some of uno. Cause uno no love, give nothing, girl, nothing. Pay a crowd. 2,000. You wanna play a match?
Okay, let's go.
I come.
Okay, you ready?
No, I always send you requests. You never come.
Me?
Yeah, so I'm not ready tonight also.
You wanna play a 4-way?
Sorry. I always call you when I want you the most, but you never
You wanna
come
play
for me.
2 versus 2?
But when I cannot come and I don't have any smoke.
I understand, so I'm not ready. You got smoke tonight?
Well, I might try.
You want me and you?
Yes, me may try.
Nelly, Nelly, give me 1 second. Let me talk to her.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell your friend to leave.
Okay.
Sonorita, Susio.
Mazevin, but
I might try. Me go to we can try chat.
nous
One and
collègues
done.
me jouer. No, not one and done. Nous collègues me jouer, guys.
Chat, me go try something now. We can help out and try something so we can help out. Boy, 10,000 people over there, Lord God. Father God, take the case and give me the pillar.
Win.
2. Best out of 3.
2 win. No, leaving back, my guys. 2 win.
3, 2.
2 win. 2 win. 2. Okay?
3 win.
Yes. Guys, no way, guys. Guys, ça va faire jouer. Nous coller, yes. Assoir nous sous ça.
Man said 3 win.
Assoir moi nous sous ça, assoir. Nous allons pas manger, oui? Wolf again, give me 1 game, please. 1 game. Just give me 1 game.
Trap me, I look at 3 game. We are
Assoir
trying.
nous sous ça, hein? Okay, guys, let's go.
We try to recharge and say we can't do anything. We could try chat. Father God. Boy, make help. We have to work together, chat. First gift at times 3. Chat, who wants some help. Come on, myself. We have to help out. A serious time now. We can't go down back down. Chat, we have to help. Chat, if you use the first gift times 3. Come now, chat. First gift times 3. Everybody have to just work together. It's a teamwork, do it, chat. Come on, my side. We have to just work together. We want some help. Chat, we have to work together. We have to just work together. We don't have no local post. We don't have no galaxy. Blood clot. Clot, yes.
Together we are TikTok
Tani! 10,000.
Ouais, li vini parce qu'elle connaît li fort. Nous, ouais? Nous comprenons? Nous disons li vini parce qu'elle connaît li fort. Le type jouer. What?
Come!
What?
Come.
Captain Vinny, you want me to come?
Yes, come.
Hey. Guys, I swear I'll game one, guys. Nous saisissons, nous disons le game one. Nous pas attendons. Nous disons le game one. Guys, nous avons retrouvé peut-être on. Il parle 1-0 ou bien est-ce qu'on a quitté? Est-ce qu'on a perdu, guys? Visage Ria, n'a pas gagné. Guys, il est bon. Guys, share bon avec toi, guys. On share le Benson.
We have to play.
Guys, n'a besoin de gros cadeau là pour nous battre, les guys.
We have to play.
Visage Ria n'a pas gagné, visage Ria n'a pas perdu. Visage Ria n'a pas gagné, visage Ria n'a pas perdu.
SQ want some help. Chat for recharge and help out. Whether we can recharge one $5, one $10, one $20, we have to play together as a team. Work. Do it. Look good pan me. No look good pan we. We have to play. We don't play how we win. A 3 game I get it. We have 2 more games left. A teamwork do it. One somebody can do it. One somebody alone can't do it, you know. We have to help out. So we have to come together so we can beat the man. And they will do other things after. But we have to help out. We have to work together. That teamwork do it. We have to play upon the double.
Guys, 10 000 moun qui la guys. Parce que guys, nous 10 000 moun, oui, guys. Si nous chaque joueur, guys, n'a pas battu, oui, guys. Si nous tous jouons ensemble, si nous pas garder sous moun, guys. Là, Stevenson Sandy, big boss. Fall him. Guys, demon decker, guys, demon decker, guys, demon decker. Guys, si nous jouons ensemble, nous courons, guys. Guys, demon decker, guys, demon decker, guys, demon decker. Thank you, Stevenson. Guys, est-ce que vous avez un grand gang, guys? Est-ce que vous avez un gang? On tape un lien, me connaît. Guys, si vous avez un gang, guys, si nous pas gang, guys, jouez dans fois des guys. Tout ça nous jouons à amitié par des guys. Guys, tout ça nous jouons à amitié par des guys. On lion. On est que nous avons trouvé le gaz. Nous avons trouvé l'ensemble, guys. On a l'ensemble, guys. Nous avons trouvé l'ensemble, guys. On a l'ensemble, guys. Chaque monde sur la guys. Nous avons monté ensemble, nous avons monté ensemble. Guys, nous avons monté ensemble, guys. Nous avons monté ensemble, guys. Nous avons monté ensemble, guys. Guys, nous avons monté ensemble, nous avons monté ensemble, guys.
That we have to move the score.
Guys, get the game.
That we have to play together.
Stevenson n'a pas dit.
We not one wheel. We not one post. We not two galaxy.
Il dit est-ce que nous pas gagner Galaxy, est-ce que nous pas gagner?
We have to play together, chat.
Man, j'ai vu sous gay, I swear, man. Shit. I swear, I can't get. Guys, quittez le gain ça, guys, quittez le gain ça.
Chat, we not no more gloves. Can drop on the last 30.
Dans game cap venir, guys, profitez fois trois ensemble, guys. Quittez le gain ça, rechargez, guys. Rechargez, guys. Quittez le gain ça, pas tirer rien. Quittez le gain ça. Ok, guys, quittez le gain ça ensemble, guys. Pour boire soir.
Unpredictable, sunny, moi.
Laisse ça, chérie. Daniela. Fordlin Brain. Big Butt, Gilly.
Try.
Guys, Manzevin pour boire soir. Guys,
Pas
pas gaspiller cadeau, guys, li gain. Ok, bravo, guys. Guys, pas gaspiller cadeau, guys, parce que déjà gain, guys.
Just in case.
Li 1-0, guys. Ok, li 1-0.
Chat, we still have to snipe. The game is not over till it's done.
Guys, li 1-0, guys. Li 1-0, guys. Li 1-0. Pas gaspiller cadeau, guys. Li 1-0, guys. Ok, nous bon. Ok. Ok, guys. Tiwa chéri. 1-0 sous nos chefs. 1-0. Guys, merci à chaque monde qui joue, guys. 1-0. Guys, fois 3 ça, guys, m'pas connaît, guys. Abonnez avec tout le monde qui vont tifler, guys, please. Abonnez avec Top Yo, guys. Tout le monde connaît Tiwa, guys. Pas regarder seulement sur Tiwa, guys. Nous là ensemble, guys. Il dit vini. Ok. Guys, jouons ensemble, guys. Guys, profitez premier.
Have to play together. That is a team. I'm trying to tell me my blood pressure will raise over TikTok. No, for true, because we can't ball out every minute. Chad first gift times 3. Have to play together, Chad. Chad, we have to play together. First gift times 3. Chat, we have to use the first gift times 3. We have to play together, my side. Come on, chat. Chat, we have to try play together. Help! Why me I tell you say? On the wicked, sir. Why? On the wicked, sir. So nobody's here to help me? So they just done with me so all of a sudden? So I tell you so sometime. Well, at least me the restart a while ago and Tani can send me something. God bless her. I mean I telling you so someone who know when night come big is in farmer instigator. Yeah, when night come. So that one match we are playing now. When I say few of my two local people, I'm like gonna run them from over here. Yeah, me not say two of my local people, I'm like gonna run them from over here. I look there now, we don't have a gloves can drop. Drop a glove, we go so we can run them down with something now. We don't have no money gun. Then we have 1.8K people that do what? And can be 30,000. On the wicked, sir. I pay wickedness, sister. Yeah, man, wickedness can't done, man. I want that. Pure wickedness, this. On the wicked, sir. Nobody. Your call is the race is not for the swift, but those who can endure it. We don't have no gloves. Drop our gloves. Drop our gloves, because we not even can go up on the margin to catch the speed. There's no speed now go come. They don't even use it 3 times. So if we not no gloves can drop, no speed now come. Chat no road, we go try upon the gloves. We can't come but 2 Galaxy. We can use the gloves no chat. You know about my throat one. And do it me, me. Father God will provide. You know tell you man? I put that salt every this. Coast salt. We far from 30K? No. If we that work together, one somebody send one post, one somebody send 2 Galaxy, one somebody send something. Drop the whole of the gloves and the waste none. Trot nobody keep the gloves them and carry them down a bed. Drop them. No work out every night. Trot drop your gloves. We're not far from 30,000. Trot no go drop your gloves. No save none. Drop all of the gloves them. Search on the gift box and 7. This coming like a fallen angel for me. Chat we clip on the gloves and try. You say we can't combo 2 Galaxy. Use the gloves. Use the gloves, chat, and throw 2 Galaxy, you know? Throw 2 Galaxy on it. Galaxy. Tani, thank you. Denise. So look good. I took somebody alone over at 1.8K. 3. Come on, she let that show something. I pay a wicked girl there, say, you know? So look good for me, you know? This can't look good. Watch there. One lion save it, but we don't think we have it. True. My blood clot. I'm not making no more of my brains. One. I'm not making no more of my brains. What am I going to do? Can't scream out my throat hole. I'm not going to ball up my throat hole when the match done, I'm in hot water. I get rid of some of uno. I have to get rid of some. I have to get rid of some of uno from over. It's true. Because when night come, I don't like to play when night come. And I not get nothing from uno when night come. We can't believe so out at how much of uno at 2 somebody I play. You don't get nothing. 1-1. Look how easy that day. Father God send a savior. Say me send it. Because it look like a 1 double. A 3 game, we are playing on a 1-1. I don't know why this first beat not coming up. You request me.
Okay, let me do it. I need the time 3.
I only want times 3.
Guys, share. Share. Oh, guys, 4 days. Hold on, let's cancel. Guys, pas appel non, Abonne avec toi, guys. Pas appel non, guys. Nous allons gagner force pas appel, guys. And I, guys. Now it's good.
At first, keep times 3. Go try.
Guys, super cash bon mon grand tapotage. T'as bien.
Recharge and no fail boat.
Family mes stratégie. Super cash bon mon grand tapotage. Guys, abonne avec top tapotage, guys. Moun qui vont tifler, guys. Depuis que tu tifler dans fois 3 ça, pas tirer encore parce que on flèque à rentrer. N'importe quoi tirer la rentrer, pas tirer encore. Chaque moun on sel cadeau, guys, chaque moun. Guys, la passe à 100 000 la journée million, guys. Ouais, li monte. Guys, chaque moun now. Na perdu, guys. Chaque moun. Guys, 3-3, guys, family, guys, chaque moun ensemble. Guys, ensemble, family play together. Snipe! Shit. That's on. Shit. Oh my God.
Thank you, Marley. Lana,
Oh shit.
Denise.
Nathan Sherry, thank you. Belize.
You're small, thing.
Nathan Sherry, thank you. Belize, thank you.
Who get away from the region?
Daniela, thank you. Wilton. Ryan, Ange, my love. Belize.
You're good.
Tout le monde qui ensemble, guys. Thank you, guys. Guys, abonne avec top, guys. Abonne avec top tapoteur, guys. Moun cap tapoteur, guys. Abonne avec you, guys.
That's me, I warmer.
Guys, dis-moi ce qu'on a perdu. Visage rien n'a perdu.
Yes, the level.
Visage rien n'a gagné. Visage rien n'a gagné.
You catch me yesterday about? The girl when you KD, don't share the live, you're gonna recharge. Don't share the live, honey. Please, me, I'm gonna share it out. Me, I look help, me, I look problem. Not share the live, honey. So I know I'm money gone, span the speed. Chat me could combo some donut, combo some roses on top so we can't catch the speed. Yeah, we all look some help. Me no want the life to share out. Too much dopey can depend me one time in the night. Me not have enough carbolic soap and bleach water. Me no want to dopey over here. I know a computer. No want to open a computer for me. Catch me, I want a long time. I not see you. Because something no. A long time I not see you catch me. Because something no. Long time I not see you shot fire boy yo. Long time, how have you been? A long time I not see auntie. Bad to bad. Chat to or not. Catch me, I let me something. You know, how small it be. The Lord will bless you. You know the clothes can't fit me. Chat double. Chat make we use a double. We have to use a double, chat. We have to use a double because we don't have no gloves. How that? How that, man? Chat double. Come on my side. Chat make we use a double. We have to help out Marley. See Marley have tried the chat. We have to help out Marley and try. See Pens the help out chat. We want some help. Come on, chat. Let's check over 60,000. Come on my side. See Pens there again. Chat help out. Not your small. If you have a money, small it be. If you have a money, go and send it. If all right.
Passer. Depuis nous m'en écran seulement ton boule m'a dépasser. Oui. Depuis nous tout qui là. 9000 depuis nous m'en écran depuis taper mon sous photo seulement ton boule m'a dépasser.
Who have our gloves? Because they might catch up the 2 day in a chat. We have to keep and push up the score. Who have our gloves? Chat, we have to keep and push up the score because they might catch up 2 way. Who have our gloves? They work too hard. Come on, chat, we don't have the gloves. If we have a money gun set like Galaxy, some honored. Chat, me go keep and push up the score. Jesus Christ, I've noticed the man pass with a bumbo clot. You go close with it. We're so close, but we're so far away. We not a gloves shot. Who have our gloves? Who have our gloves? Chat, we have to push up the score. Who can snipe? It's a sniping game. It's like we don't have no gloves. Chat, who can snipe? Chat, who just bumbo blood clot. We get fuck. Father God. Lord God. Come on, my guys. Snipe. Snipe. No chat. We don't have no gloves. Can't snipe. Chat, we can't snipe. 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 Chat, everybody drop a snipe. Drop a snipe. Drop a snipe. We don't have an Instastellar. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Look how we work hard. And still get fucking eye process. Lord God. Body time gonna so much. From Tanny to Pence to Marley, Catch Me Eye, Denise, Sassy One Baby, Drix, Medisha, Love Rose, Unpredictable. Everybody we are top, lad. Alright.
That's nice. One game left. One game left. Guys, nous avons 3 gants, guys. Marine, est-ce qu'on a un gant? Ok, Marine, nous avons un gant. Attends. C'est gant pour là, on est avec Marine, nous toujours là. Et il n'est pas un gant pour la chérie. C'est ton seul match.
Recharge, son. I'm going to catch the big chill up and go recharge. Him have 1 game left, we have 2. Who have our gloves? No gloves are there neither. I get 2 local followers still, it not bad. I run me a drink. Savage! Chap, me could take the vigil up and recharge. Me could try now. We can try now. Cause we are play some serious match when you can't see 2 people and time the mix up start and the bag of people business. The whole honor is present. Them something that just get to my brains all the while. I'm gonna stop, come over, come entertain someone in the bag of chatting. Kind of love it. Watch. Yeah. All we need are 4 people or 5 people to play. If we get 10 people to play, not so bad. I force somebody over here shooting out a 1.7 each. How much? How the wicked so? And then you sit down now for the grand finale. We don't get nothing tonight. We go tell like for me. We go stop do it. Come on, come on, someone come make bed in breakfast. I'm not depend that. Can't get that every day. Can't do that every day. Yeah, go on, someone go on in the name of Jesus, man. Look at that on the board. I pay typing. Chat, if you use the first gift times 3, I look some help. First gift times 3, chat. Chat, first gift times 3. We have help out Tita. We have to help chat. First gift times 3. Help out, Catch Me, I thank you. Tita, thank you. Chat, if you use the first gift times 3, because we don't have no gloves. Chat, use a triple in the chat. Chat, you want help? Chat! It's not no good. Far from beyond winning. Far from beyond winning. Take my beat and go on my bed, go lie down on my bed, yeah. I say I never let nobody in. But if you ask me to, I just might change my mind and let you win my Tita, thank you. If Catch Me, I thank you, Tani, thank you, everybody thank you. I see them stay all a while. Maths teacher beg you something. Can't win the money at all. Chat, power tap so and throw some road so we can get to our next speed. Then I'm going to ball up my show tool. Me. I'm going to ball up my show tool for. Ask me to. Chat, we're going to some taps and some roads so we can get to another speed. Chat, we can get 3 more galaxy and meet him down on the margin. We can get 3 more galaxy and meet the man down on the margin. We see a nightmare come there. Chat, see one, we can't follow that, make it be a triple. What about gloves? We don't have no gloves, I forgot try. But me I go to school and say nothing but a try, but a failure. I could try so we can do something. Here, there, and everywhere. 2 and out. Here, there, and everywhere. 2 and out. 2 and out, chat. Chat, me could try. Chat, me could use a double. Double my side. Chat, me could use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Chat, me can use double and catch him up. So Marley gone, everybody gone. Chat, me could use a double chat and try in a chat. Chat, we can't try upon the double. Chat, we can't try upon the double. Chat, me could use a double in a chat. We don't stand still like stagnant water. It is alright, long as I have my Lord beside me. It is alright, long as I have His hands to hold, long as He washes over my soul, long as I'm under His thanks, everybody. It is alright. It is alright, alright. It is alright, alright. Long as I have my Lord beside me, it is alright. Long as I have His hands to hold, and so long as He watches over my soul, and I'm under His control, it is alright. It is alright, alright. It is alright, alright. Long as I have my Lord beside me, it is alright. Long as He watches over my soul, long as I'm under His control, it is alright. It is alright, alright. Long as I have my Lord beside me, it is alright. We have a lot gift gallery fan. And why you are type about gift gallery? And nobody piss me off. Why the thank you so much? You put something in the gallery?
Thank you. Eli made me flat. Thank you, guys. What do you say? What's going on? What do you say?
Later. Congratulations.
All right, see you later. No problem. See you later, okay? Yeah.
What you at about gift gallery? You put something in the gallery? You put something in the gallery? Who are throw gift in the gallery? You see people that throw gift in the gallery? You know see a monkey office with a Maroon Town. You blind? Like you know see a monkey office with a Maroon Town. You know so long with the you know me not have gift and match me a look. Match me a play. Long as I'm under this control, it is alright. I'm gonna look a friend the day, so one at a time. I do want to play one match with me. I was looking for him one at a time. Trey. I think it's okay, invitation turn off. Let me see it. No capacity. Chat me I look to Galaxy. And if I can't reach her, that's no worries. And I alone over here, whole heap of people, 1.5k people over here. I never did restart. Me like money get something from Tanya. That means say someone who no want send nothing when night come, but me not do someone who no. Me made the queen of blacky. Me made the queen of black. Me not give people in just black no. Nobody come over here come here some time. Me love black people. Literally. I mean, I go argue with no over the money. I go black on, I go and go spend the one spend. Because I notice when night come here, you know take yourself to one place where one look a tombstone something. When you take yourself on a car, somebody got they just go dress them. Me now work them the program here so. Can't swim with how much people I can't get to. If you're mad, me can't sit through it. No. Me not sit through it. When I start my life today, I want me say, me have sitting for talk. And then me never beg before me talk, money get nothing, somebody can't but I talk or beg, me I beg. No like people mix up too much of business. What did I suck?
Hello, how are you?
I know upset myself. Play with that person there. Nobody ever come and say, alright then. Let me go and say I can't beg something before me talk. I won't get nothing. So I'm still long talk in vain. Every day I come with the same thing. Every day I can't be the same. The youths them agree. Yeah. Can't work with that every time. Shady pass through help me out. Feel like a girl it over here. But going pretty well. And then me never come say. Maybe never come say. Me I go beg then chat money get none count us all up in the blood clot people them and them 9 me eat with someone, you know. And those other people them 8 cent days recycle store them selling every day. And none of the people are using head pound, you know. Cause somebody can't tell me something that interests me, I want to hear it. Me that never go me. And I involve money, someone love people business. And I want to store them, recycle them. They want to use it that many different character. Them say it when I'm angry, them say it when them sad, and them say it when them on a depression. One store them selling enough from last year till now. And just always fall feet. And all them do I just characterize it and say it. I don't know, someone a fool, son of blood clot. Fool. Someone also look at name pan code on the internet. You sound an idiot. Then them could have blood clot talk to me and listen to them. I don't listen to them. Them don't have sense. They don't have sense. Someone look on. They don't have sense. Come on, show someone don't have fucking sense. And the whole of an idiot. All the 30k people in my idiot. Because what? The man live. She seek asylum. When I seek asylum, that's when you run from one country. So if you run from Jamaica, how the fuck you go come back to Jamaica? Even if she get an asylum, if she can't even say she got travel come back here. Him no must get a visa for God blood clot friends. So how them go there? Two virtual WhatsApp. So you can't hurt of a man we not gonna see a physical touch. Soon thumb someone on the bumbo clot. Look here, I'm not come there, so I'm not talk about it for a man because what I stop me a look. I don't want to talk, but it don't even makes no fucking sense. And the whole on the galloping over there. I say it's not very good people them, quarter people them. It not make no sense. I better the lady come talk what really do her for me sorry for you. Because I can't sorry for any of them the foolishness there. Come talk what really do you. Because nothing or nothing. Because there's no way a man can do it in a physical touch. That means say, how long I say me delusional, the real delusional one. That don't make no sense. You can't come to the person can't go to you. So, oh, that makes any sense. You know someone ever do a long distance relationship yet? You know? I don't do pen pal work. Me don't do pen pal, me. Then me can blood clot there Jamaica and a ball over man or their friend cannot come to me. Alex and Milo team. I look two Galaxy, you know. Me I look to Galaxy. I am looking to Galaxy. Me I look to Galaxy. I am looking to Galaxy. Me I look to Galaxy so we can close the board at 600. If we go on, for God bless, we can go further. And the one on the bank, some look of blood clot story don't really make no fucking sense. All the while on do it. Oh no sense. No sense. Man, that's some look of full story don't make no blood clot sense. I sit down and laugh and I can't eat that. But they can't send me them the full shit. I'm not on a crowd for me, I beg me, I beg. Chapter ended. I follow people and their nonsense. The internet full of pure storyteller. I'm going to tell every day I sell myself story, I'm going to tell it. A pure storyteller, they are pure storyteller. Internet full of pure storyteller. Before me come over here, come crash out over blood clot. Some of them are not seeing the blood clot flesh. I go skill up my bum and put it on one plate and share it out. Who buy it for eat, stab, or swallow. Come here, don't share the live. I don't depend that right now. I don't want the live to share. Night now. I don't depend watch night. Yeah. I don't know for the full story. I want to get the foolishness and oh that. Yes, Tammy. Yes, not like unpredictable. Yes. When I hear the foolishness, then bite. You're live at watch out, drunk or fall, you know, you're live at display on screen. You're live at display on screen. I want to spam me, so you're like, I want to watch my live, hear that? And answer rope come now. I look two girl, I two Galaxy, me a big. Yeah. I don't busy with the people and them argument. I want to try to say, oh, Rose, them have to call. Them have to come tell me really I go on with them. For me can say, okay, I have to sympathize because I'm a human. But you can't come with them the story that next to me or buy it. Nah, never want to hear it. Miss Trish, come here, my baby. Miss Trish, come here. Baby, no work so look boy. Una na sentence me for pitney. 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 No work so look boy. Miss Trish, come make a summer long time. Let's say my baby. You know when I put my life on this stream for the try will have to come tell. I'm not come say, you have to come tell me real I go on your life. So me can sympathize. Cause I do all the business there anyway. So if you come talk, say boy, something I go on here under the pressure, I could have sympathized. Cause me a human being. You can't come tell me about you are man where man live in Jamaica, you live in Jamaica, you live in France. And there's no way only kind of know contact. I must through phone. Hear it. When you live like I have to know what you do. Probably double blood clot full story. And the wall on. Me can't sympathize. I'm a human being, you know. I'm a have a heart, so I can't sympathize. If you say to me, what really wrong with you? You can't come tell me that I'm sorry. No, because that don't make no sense to me. Because me a woman. And if me, they used to talk to a man and years past and we come here, so we do things and the two way I make money and rate and blah. What kind of feeling if a blood clot in a woman live with a Jamaican woman I go see in the flesh? They're going to take me out 10 years to see me in the flesh? Because visa is not, when you look about visa, you know, can go embassy go get visa, so visa thing, we don't come like say no, when you go look at visa, you're more for quicker to get a visa when you have look at assets like the assets and you have it, they might ask you all the bank statement and them look at something if you get a visa. Don't know where you could get a visa if you go to bands or one football program or Disney World program and them look a program if you get visa. Visa not easy. If you go pick up an embassy and blood clog it. Ross Trump in a power now. So I don't know where they might take the people and put one piece of pupek. I not go find a phone of full trap. Me not eat that classic. She never come on the internet come talk. What wrong with her for me can't sympathize cause all when she ate me and me ate her, the two of we are human being. But you can't come to me with them. That's me not easy of a trick, I'm not easy of a brainwash. When me say them talk, them a storyteller. When them talk some story, it fumble double, mix up all over it. Now listen to them. Me I tell you. She never come tell me what I really do her. In the flesh, like, you know. What really do you, so me can sympathize as a female. Empress, I'm not stupid. That's something I don't really want some of them of like appear idiot. She never come talk what really wrong with her so me can sympathize as a human being. What really take place in your life. Girl, for me, sit down and say, all right then, me I go sympathize. Because when I have to do, although if sometimes we hate a person, I would dislike them ways, we can sympathize through certain circumstances because the whole way a human being. But you can't come pinch me with a full story there. I'm a bite. You can't pinch me with them the foolishness. Them will take it up and bite. A foolishness that. Me never want to hear it. A 3-4 me have a last shot over there. Me not go over there. And she must say blood clot Rosalie. Adi Rosalie, I must one of the girl. I mean, I dissect no story. I don't care who want to hate me. I got to say regular me and people go places. And me and people not even friends for going away. I regular every night me dey on my live. When I come off of my live, me dey on my phone call. Sometimes I left live all 1, 2 o'clock. So I don't know when me and people have got 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the hours a night go do. Sometimes I there till all 3 to 3. Me's a late streamer. Cause show me there so. Show me there so. Mrs. Check it out. Show me there so, Mrs. Check it out. Show me there so most of the time them. And I don't really have nowhere to go. I don't really want to go sleep. I go there for my life till like 2, 3 o'clock. Sometimes I come up sometimes say, Rose, we are over here so late. I just saw me stay. Me and nobody now go know. I never go long that piece of parcel. But what I'm saying is the child will have to come tell me, you talk on the internet, what really do her. For me, can click my live and reach out to her, as in just say a few words to sympathize. But you can't look at me and tell me, say, you hurt of our man, but you can't see for now. And when? The only way you see for now if you got dip yourself back to Jamaica. Because go to foreign is not that easy as we think. Because visa now is short embassy. Visa na issue to embassy. Yeah. Visa na issue to embassy as we think. To go to foreign is as we think. So you'd have to come talk what really are going on in your life. Chat me a look 9 more galaxy. Or some anat or some donut. Yeah. I've only never come on internet come talk what really are keeping a fear personal life. For me, sympathize. But that the piece of information there, me don't know what me Rosalie would do with it because it don't make no sense to me. It don't make no sense to me. Because when I sit down and analyze the problem, tell her and trick her, I say you're hurting. I'm like, what you're hurting over? It's not as if you see me in the flesh. Make it make sense. Diamond would have feel hurt. That me feel like a diamond would have feel hurt. Because what? Shannon meet in the flesh. Them the door run the one in the flesh. A long time story that. You know a long time story. So you never come tell me what really are going on in your own. Because sometimes some of we have some things that go on in our life personal. We take it out on people, you know. Yeah. We under with depression them, our channel it different ways is for other people. Feel we can talk and ease out with feeling and emotion. Because sometimes it's just one feeling behind one another, but everything just boil up and then you just be the one that know that one that just flip the script. You just fuzzle up on a person. But not really that person the problem. Yeah. You can be calm, cool and decent, and then you look at us crash out, those pop. You have a problem long time in your store. Long time show the quiet, so a long time in on social media for me say van over the quiet, me know something I keep. That she has some paper story or some story or some tour or some asylum tour or some court story trying to be for that. Some tour or some of the server, some type of tour paper with some story. That is not the answer. Yeah, so me no want to get involved. I went for my name because I don't want to get involved because I put myself in a foolishness. That's why someone, every time they come on the internet with some blood clot story, you don't believe them. Now somebody me learn from. Somebody will trick me one time. I may be honest. You see, Ash's story, Jaden did trick me one time. If I'm Jaden trick me that time, then none of them else can trick me. None of them. Me learn. You know, so I for them the full story there. And them trick me the one time and it admit to say Rose. And it admit to me and say Rose, you know, say Ray T and Blay, and I true never the Ray T and Blay because Ray T and Blay. I say, okay, fair enough, fine enough. Nobody else store no trick me. Sugar warmer.
Hello. Hello. Hi, sister.
Because the difference between me and them a storyteller and I sell me sell story. That's the difference between me and them. Them a storyteller and I sell me sell story. What one? I sell me sell story, my love. Yeah. Because if me a hurt and it's real, me a ball. And sometimes, when I say some of them over here say them a hurt and it's real, sometimes you cannot hurt and it's real. You just sing of your life, I play music and you just cry, you know. And sometimes when you're hurt, you got nothing to say. Some are smart. Sometimes when you're definitely hurt, oh, you want to talk about it? No. Sometimes when you're hurt, like you literally hurt. Another lie me I tell, go ask a therapist. Sometimes when you literally hurt, like you're hurting about something, there's no words to say. Because sometimes words can never explain how you feel. So I just pure tears. Sometimes I come over here hurt, I just pure ball, I drink and ball. I don't have nothing more to say. Because saying something won't even, I think it got cost. It got saying something, it not gonna solve my problem. It not gonna say it for the whole internet try to dissect and tell about a lie. So it just come simple, them empty what them want become and say you're ball over, feed them business that you know what you're ball over. Come here tell the life hard, you know. Life is hard in many different ways, and people have their own life trauma. Some of us as content creators, I go through it. And sometimes some will get so much bring down. I can't hardly bring down what we get all 2 years ago. Not about 20 years. 2 years ago. Still I take a toll upon we. And we are all over it. You understand what I say? So nobody can come with no look of fubble foolishness and me. Take it and bite and yam it and ball. Come tell me what I really keep. Because the wall with the fire we used to bring down till it kicking. No know what them could have said about me now for me feel no way. Yeah. Police come beat video me naked when me never see you. And me tell myself say that was the most embarrassing moment of my whole entire life. Me never shame so. How me do my chin up? Me get over it now still. But me I tell you say when it just happened, I was so embarrassed. But get over it now still about when it happened, me did so embarrassed. Me did publicly embarrassed. And I will for them take it for mockery. And when me hear for them, they bring down, they come and them quiet and silent and can't barely say 2 words. Me never laugh. But also reaches you, reaches me in a life. Me not laugh if people don't fall. Because when you put in the atmosphere, you must get it back. All me I say is, if the lady want me for really sympathize about her, about the talk what really do you. That them the story that foolishness. No. Foolishness. Yeah. For instance, Classic they are foreign media Jamaica. Classic can't come to Jamaica, me can't go foreign. Oh, me fuck me for blood clot. What Classic can't say to me for me fall in love with blood clot Classic now. So Classic hurt blood clot me. I work on TikTok. So Classic you should have foreign media Jamaica. Classic can't come to me can't go to Classic. So what Classic would have said to me now for me fall in love with blood clot. That mean me delusional. Oh, we are gonna meet. Next 20 years. Boy, I'm not going them there. I'm not going down in your aroma. Shut me look, never go away now. Me past my bedtime. Me past my bedtime. And then, you know the whole sequence of the whole blood clot story. You're none of them catch up in a blood clot box at talk about it, you know. It have to do with something with Rose. Yeah, the whole of them keep on ceremony. Joy to the world, the Lord has come, let earth receive the King. But me can't tell on the publicly. I'm gonna announce it today. Public announcement. Me not gonna ever come over here come bring down Akeem. It's when the time come for part in world film vision and me hold my lane. You know when I'm going to go on and me hold my lane. Because what? Me not think it's necessary. I mean not think it make no sense. It does show up people say, no cure all people can be nice and cordial to us. We're just devil in disguise and we can't change. And sometime in our life, you have to change your attitude and change your follow grounds and move on. Because the bag bring nothing more than disgrace. And people afraid to go for it. People afraid to go up on a phone call with you know. People afraid to go out with you know. People afraid that just afraid of you know. We are demons. That's what it brings. Them bring me down to you know. I'm afraid of them. Them bring me down to and when all is said and done, and them think like say, oh, your Rose could have turned back in a friend. No. I don't want a friend for you. You know what kind of person to be already. I show me can't take the bring down and the ever disgrace. Me no want nobody to come around and come friend me. So I tell them, if suppose for instance, me and my man now want problem and me no want to share it on the internet, but I have it as a friend and I sit down and I read. That means say life get out of hand. Life get out of hand. Liberty get out of hand. Cause one time gone back, you could have a local friend you can sit down and tell a friend them your problem them and them sit down and so you say, okay then, if that's not good for you, if that person is not good enough for you, but you go on or stick out and wall out and try to change. He try to change and you try to change. So you try to change your attitude. Change your attitude towards answering. Change your attitude towards certain things. That means a life gone on one different. As me come on social media, it's life gone one different toll, you know. Not even some of the people that I give you can't tell me business because they must collect it and go tell other people and bring it down. Life change. 2026, my love life, really blood clot change. No, it's true. You can't have nobody will tell nothing again. Everybody a pure clout. Everybody penny million a pure clout. Pure clout. You can't have nobody way. You have a local friend and you say, all right then. Me have one local friend and me sit down and tell, say, boy, you know, say, boy, from what day ya, me now want to look a relationship and me I tell you say more time, me and the man to jump off. And we set things to, we set, you know, when I jump off with that person, you will set things to hurt each other and the person that say, boy, you know, say, boy, Rosalie, we are gonna do what you say. You know, some said that and him said that, well, probably I true you said that, why him said that, you know, we now have them type of people that's on the argument rest and them try to build you and motivate you and tell you what to do and how you to live better. No. As I tell you, remember the boy who tell you say your pussy big and your eyeball a drop out. Move your dirty block, go and wrap you up. So everybody friend you if you know your business. That's why me don't want a friend. Me don't want a friend. You know them say Rose hate people, yeah. She don't like nobody, yeah. She don't like nobody, yeah. She don't like nobody, yes, yep, yeah. Rose don't like nobody, yeah. Rose don't like nobody, yes. Present, yeah. Rose don't like nobody, yeah. Blood clot. Cause me if a friend you for know your blood clot business, what kind of person me be? That means say all along my friend you because I want to know something for so long. Well, that's my motive. I'm gonna know all the stay, so I'm gonna like the people, I'm gonna avoid them. Because I like somebody, I'm not to them, you know? I don't. Yeah. Enough of them over have Judas intention. If me not like a person, me not yam for you, me not drink for you, me not smoke for you, me not want in a circle, I don't want you to call me, I don't want a friend. You keep your ways, I'm going to keep mines. You know much of them sit down pan blood. You know much of them used to write from last year till now. Oh, Shaka come bring down Akeem. You know then type it in a comment section how much in time. Alright. And then talk it, not comment section. And then come tap it. Just so she bring him down. One time, him the afraid I to say me soon come bring him down. Remember one time me and him fall out. And him say something to me. I'm say, what's how you feel about me? No worries. Him say something to me. I'm say, what's how you feel about me? No worries. No worries, honey. I don't want a story with the man. When I click my live Saturday, then the people them come and say, Rose want to Akeem, hear me now, no? You know, so I talk to me, know, so I call him for a man, I just talk to him. One Akeem across the board, and the story done. Remember, me and the man jump off, me and the man not deal, me and the man not talk. The story finish. The story done. No other story. If the expect so when said to me, but our company internet come crash out and build some type of way. But just say, oh, if I say you feel about me not argue. No, don't know Rose. Yeah. No, don't know Rose. Yeah. I'm telling you, my name Mrs. Unpredictable. You can program me. You can program me and you can predict what me I go say. No time. Because I can be hurting and keep my cool. You can be hurting and keep my cool. Remember me used to deal with man who grab my throat and squeeze it and when I let it go me a gap for ear. And I still come over come put on one calm, cool collective, and now when me a hurt inside, me hold my composure. Me learn for all a thing them composure. So if I say you feel about me, when me argue with you for, make it make sense. You know make no sense? If you feel about me, if you feel some type of way about me, when me argue with you for now, how you feel? Tell me how you feel, I'm gonna say, oh, that's the part, me leave you alone. You can't, and that's why, someone upon ya, me no know real. 99.9% of una just one little cent of people like the truth. 99.9% of una believe the lie more than the truth. Cause some of the people realize they don't gravitate to the bag of lie them when them tell so them talk the shit them every day on the so long. Yeah man, true man, don't come lie bring down people. Cause if me don't want nothing to do with a man, me don't want nothing to do with them, I just keep my distance. When I come move your blood clot, I can't take rejection of blood clot. Someone cannot take rejection, cannot take it. As somebody don't want a friend for come on wicked, don't want class them. You can't take rejection. Remember the day like what was yesterday? Him say something, I say to him, if I saw you feel about me, no worries. No worries. And him did expect say me I come crash out upon him Friday. Friday night, I click my live, I do my local ranking. Saturday, I click my live, I do my local ranking. Sunday, I click my live, I do local ranking. When the people come type, I'm okay, I say I'm good man, you know I call him. When me not call him, I call him. I talk to him today and I'm good. I'ma keep it moving. And I say blood clot. Then all the people on the internet say Rosa come bring me down. So I realized said, well I wanna liar. Pure I wanna tell. Because there are two things to me where you never know. You don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. So when Vanna come talk about she go on like she untouchable. Me never go on me untouchable baby. Me no walk and do phone work on do. Me no walk and fuck with people. I don't trouble people. I don't trouble people because me not like when people trouble me. Because if you trouble me, I know me not trouble you. It's gonna put me in one space in my life where me not want to see that is a dark place. I don't people that fuck with me put me in a problem up until today. Our people are, and it's so ironic. When you sit down and fuck with girl and then girl have in a bag of courthouse and a bag of rain and a bag of una walk a fuck with people by here. What more can I take when pressure bust pipe? But show you all lifestyle. You walk and fuck with people. Walk and troll them. Every screener card on they don't troll. Every time when they play match with somebody else, over the opposite a troll. You walk and fuck with people, and then when you get people on edge and you get people out of character, you sit down and play victim like a people that takes it pan uno. Me not untouchable, me not walk and fuck with people. If me gonna want comment section, and write one comment, I may say more than one people start to reply. God knows say when it come to my notification, me I delete it back. Yeah. That's why I not go down in it. Because someone will talk, put in a nasty comment, and I go at on the back, and then I go at my back, and then the I go black. Just black the page and black, me just delete my comment. So that I'm reachable and touchable, Vanny. Oh, I grow when I'm young, we don't fast with people. Me my best friend, a troublemaker. That means that when the war start, we are coming at full force and we're not all back nothing. Some me grow. Some my friends stay. Me learn from my friend. He's my idol. He no walk and fast with people. When I hear him click him on the pan, no call me blood clot. I'm serious about it. Because I'm not trouble, so don't trouble him. We not be a group of troublemaker. We be a group of people who sit down and chat and laugh about one of business, sing to himself, walk around and everywhere make problem with yourself. Sit down and sing songs, sit down and chat. Sit down, we make problem with ourselves, we don't make problem with people. Because we not do that. Because if you do that, we are going to start and we'll start, we're not done. Some grow, some stay. Me no walk and fast with people. Not even if me and one girl take the same man, girl, me ain't a mate. No look, no mate roll from road, because you're not going to get it. For me have that struggles there for me born till now. You're not gonna get no mere troll from me. So don't even go on like say, don't can't pick on people. Me say girl go road. Me see some of them thinking girl over there road where them say Akim them want to take picture. And when them take picture, when I see the picture on the FYP, when me look, me say girl I follow me. I black one, you know. I black one. Me not paranoid them the way they. I love black. Had a reaction, no one look on no now get it. Me? Not me. Not me. Me wanna tell them to laugh. Yeah man, if you ever fuck with me, I come bring it down. Me not bring it down. Never, will never. Tell you ready for go on, you go on your ways if you not work out. You go on your ways, I'm gonna go on my ways. I will call it a willow. A whole pop boy I'm taking in my lifetime and them two lady them gone for them ways until today. What pop boy I'm taking in my the only man ever taking in my lifetime when me and them in a pay blood clot probably don't know how already. I take other man when me and them no problem. Can't ring them phone and say, do this to me. What? What you do? Me that. That's you don't know about me. I know about Rose. I take man when me and them part ways when I in another story. I'm see them around with them woman and I hold my head straight like I don't even blood clots them. And up until today, them still have X in my phone and I can call and say, go do this to me. Wow. Come carry my guy road now. Where you there? I'm saying joke me make later. You see you, June, you see you. Move say move. Yeah. One man ever taken my lifetime and I'm in a tour, you know already. I take other man who in a no story with. And I see if blood clot go road and see them, I pretend like I never meet them yet. Take a boy already, I'm in the bench up perceive you. And I buy a phone card and I look me I play the box. And I glimpse him, so I take me eye if I look on the box. I I take my side eye watch him and spin on him. When him spin on us, me, you know what? I say nothing. You don't remember me? I say no from where? You don't remember the time, man? I say no. We are talk about no. Just sure you remember me? I say yes. You look like we got it confused. Him say alright then I say a word. I say okay. I must remember you. Me a idiot. Me have Alzheimer, me have memory loss. Sure. Oh. Me cut from a different shade of cloth. If you don't fuck with me, me not see you. I'ma tell you some tech man when me and them turn up a shop a buy. I'ma say buy where you buy now. I'ma just do like me don't even know the person. Just a random shit when me see a road. I me used to take the man. I don't hold no Tory. The man dead on woman. Me give them all way for buy where them a blood clot buy. Me is a one dangerous character, you know. See me nice? Gone are the days when me used to blood clot the bun. It is my blood clot come like someone who you look a fool girl. Me a fuck pa my man with you and you have your woman. We feel like say me I got blood clot see a road with your woman and go like say me I show blood clot ownership. I pretend like I don't know your fam no way. I pretend like I don't know if I never see you yet. And the worstest thing me could have ever do. I fuck you last and I wake up tomorrow man and see you. I'm here make for the spin go back in me. Some blood clot things I see. I'm want me fuck one man. My boy just don't fuck last night now. One hot piece of blood clot fuck you know. I'm gonna wake up the next blood clot man and go to the street and go up the road and buck up the boy. I'm gonna go buck up the road and look at him. Look at my face and hold my face so. And in that me did a long and long after see him pass and brush against me, I just smile. A lot of stuff me tan. Sexy Jordan. Me for class in a sexy Jordan. Woman, lady. Lady with sub, no, me have to block you. Stop short the blood clot live. Miss Big Wall. Me say a long after I'm coming and brush pan me, I'm tear and smile. Me no enough up. Me. So me there with a man here, me ask a certain questions because more after me no learn for enough up. Me no enough. I work with time, space, and I give people space, and I work with limit, because I me kind of mad, and I go tell nobody say, oh, me come look you, and I beg you fuck, you know, I go tell no lie pan blood clot me. And them tell me will make me get mad, you know, I go tell no lie pan me. Like over and I come to about, and the regular you figure it out, me and figure it out, I go, where? Me and figure it out, friend? If I'm January, me and chat to blood clot, figure it out. As since June the 27th, after my party, June the 26th, the 27th was the early man, I meet him and Jaden up a blood clad, taboo. I will come over to the MC truck, with Akim rent, and them guys feed them yard over where them live, and my man go over him yard. Where me and him a go? Me and him a go down there, my friend. And 2 times when Jaden a come over here and come. Because Jaden a come here and him come. Me and him a friend like that. We are talking about me and my friend. Tell a lie upon me. Me and him going away. Me and him, my friend. Me and my friend like that. Coming on the other bumper pussy blood clot. Him a come sit down and tell you say him not like me and me. Boy, me and him go. Don't tell a lie upon me. Fix up on a statement and a call me name and get me on an argument. Come on the old man fear tell you say me and him go say me and him not like me. That make any sense when I talk to you? Make people sit down and tell a pure lie here. And you come tell a lie when they tell you no. Cause that not even make no sense. Me and a man go, me and a man friend for going away. You don't know who Rose bro. You don't know who Rose be already, Barney. Rose not enough. If you not call me name, me not see you. Me not enough. Come on, know when me and people them like live like dog. Me love over here. Cause I'm a beg. And sometimes when they begging cool, me can't sit down and go and elaborate. When me and man go, me and man no blood clot friend. Me and man a friend for going away. As since my party night, I will meet them up at Taboo. I will come over in an MC truck. And the MC truck, the MC truck drop off Jaden them at them yard and drop off him over him yard because them live on the same block over there. So, and my man come over and go over female go sleep. What you talk about? What you talk about? The first time I chat back to them since January. So where the fuck me and him go? And how much time them come over here? 2 times Jaden come over here and Jaden come first. And then Jaden say, figure it out. Come. I say, okay then, because I just for me stay. Me now walk half of the people and I'm a blood clot heart. Them can't go and eat me. Me now have them up. Because me have a figure it out. Can't come on my blood clot. Yeah, you can never chat to me. I mean, I go elaborate. I'm going to know what a long story. Him just know why him eat blood clot. It's a theme problem. But I show them say my heart no black like for them one. So Jaden I come over here with 2 other man. And them carry figure it out and them carry Marvin. I'm there with them. I would just there go on normal out. Must about 3 times. So I don't know where me and people are going. I don't love going away. So not tell a lie upon me and only him. And I come cuss you. I have no time for that. Because I a big 33-year-old woman when my age come out for all me now. Me and nobody now going away because people know me. If you know me, you know me no love socialize. Me and Toto and Munchi them are the same thing. I need them. Me no love you back a crowd of people. You love crowd. One people come a Gucci tattoo. You don't love crowd of people. Yeah. You don't see my friend them. if gifters come from far in the morning, I'ma meet them. I have to under every influence. For just sit down and normal out and carry on. The next day when the influence done, the next day I soon I want different need that. When I want Rose is nice. Last night and today she go like she don't know where I saw me stay. I don't love enough up in the people. Cause I can't take the embarrassment and I won't get mad. Because all of me like one boy. Me not look no man. Yeah. Cause I meet boy in my lifetime already when I see and like. And me and them talk as friend. And I keep it right a friendship. Me not look no man. Me not enough up. Me not look man. Me not enough up. You can meet me today with nice today. Drink and smoke and chat. And then tomorrow morning or tomorrow you see me one different rose a buck up. Yeah, one of me have bipolar, my mad. I just some mistake me not like enough up in a people. So come to no like for me, but me and people, nobody not gonna blood clot way. Cause me stop chat to that blood clot boy, they find it with send threat to my phone and me block that number there since. Jaden I come over here, say I come look for me. Him say I come to him, I say alright, then make him come. Yeah, because at the end of the day, if you used to talk to somebody and them my friend, and the relationship might not be the same as before, but at least you can make it cordial, you can keep it nice, you can keep the peace. So the liar stored them and tell like you and him go fix that. Me and him not gonna blood clot way. And me and him is not friend like that for gonna way. For me and him even power gonna blood clot way. Cause remember, me no love gold, me no love crowd of people. So when me and people I go. When me and people I go. Amen, Mago. We made him a blood clot go. Not even my pussy clot, man. Him like a party. And no any given time I never ring him phone and say, babes, I go tonight, carry me no me. Me no love going away. Me no love people like that. Cause people are wicked. And some of them would upon Sierra High Rose. And them same man in the blood clot come in a class. Me every day I'm a big and stinker man now. I'm the terror. Me not trust people. Me not gonna go with people. Stay on my radar. Stay on my lane and turn on my radar. And I'm not going like me better than people. Just afraid of one. I just keep myself to myself. Me not enough up. Me not enough up. Yeah. Let it thank you. Me not enough up. Munchie come here, Munchie there, Munchie say, Rose, you know, say me I go mobile. Me say, I gotta do your thing. Because I say, oh friend, yeah, me could go. Do your thing, sister girl. Me not enough up. Me not like enough people. We enough. Me not enough up. So, she Rose, me I go down and mobile, go do my business. Sorry, me girl, do your thing. Me not enough up. Me not like enough people because me not enough. Because you not Clyde at me. You're not Clyde at me not enough up. So, no come tell me like, me nobody not gonna wear. So, you know, come tell me, say, oh, the boy not like you. No, never talk. Diamond, they make me hear one blood clot. Vice play, them say, me and her sick in my stomach. I never know what the argument was about. I never asked. And I'm chatting him and I still chat to him. Because I don't hate him. Because I know when people get upset, people might say things about people. But if him want jigs you off, don't mix up my name. Not doing a thing. Because when you and him do just over here, I don't know all the players still listen to your 30,000. 30,000 them I listen to your foolishness. When you and him they just start over here, you did upon about all dead baby ashes and all this real and this a real life story. And then put up a picture with baby. And you over there, when I tell you over there on the board with almost 1 million a kind. Views for kill. I own her at the base with views. Him have 10,000 people over film live, but you have 7,000 people, almost 8,000 people over your life. And so long I make on a 2 week and a 3 week and a 1 month hard with a blood clot kinds. So what the blood clot problem now? Are you the big no so the boy can't come to you, you can't go to the boy. So I'm not walking to call up my name and I'm not thinking to worry. Cause that don't make no sense. The call up my name and mix me up for blood clot. Police can all pull me say I know things about people. I don't know shit about people. Cause every day I'm in my house. Me's a house certified house rat. One time I got blood clot after trying to piss me off. I want to say you see it. Don't want to go out here and people in an argument. Me not going away because I can't tell the bag of Tory with people. Me nobody not going away. When me, you know, so when I walk a fuck at night time, nobody knows me I walk a fuck at night time. When me young, when me are young, all tabat, all wingworm and assistant, all whore, all night nurse. You know people follow me going away? No, when me I got catch my man, nobody no follow me going away. Toto me so come. Where I go about my business, which part? Me I go, is that me I go down a me yard to my man, and me I go another street to one of my man them, and me I go back Alman town to one of my man them, and me I go down Clover. At this all, me say yes at this blood clot or what. So I don't know what you talk about. Me no groupie. Me never fucking a group. Me and my friend, you not go there with a boy than me there with a boy. Me not do that. I militant in the streets. Long time ago. Some friend that depend. Oh, me no say me I go down me go lick my boyfriend. Follow me now. Me not do that. When me I go for my operation and I go for my work, my son, my alarm and tell my friends, say me soon blood clot come. Until you come back, I might sleep tonight. Yo, that's what I say. You know we kill them all and I say, hey, no question, I sell me the cigarette if you have some of the blood clot cigarette, I'm going about my business now. You goody? How you go to Moses? You know you goody? How you go to I can't believe. So that sell me the blood clot. Newport, if you go sell me the Newport or the Rockman, I'm going about my business. Me never tell him to follow me, gonna away. Ask him. Me say, sell me, where you sell me. I want some cigarette and some juice, me go about my business. Them, I say yes, them always there. Yeah, come back for that, me say, I might sleep. Might sleep. Might sleep. Ask him when me younger. Me nobody not follow me gonna away. Me no like crowd around me. Yeah, because you not got 10 a life on me. Yeah, that's why when over here used to class me, all in a walk a search in my background and I can't find it. Because I don't have none, because when I go fuck me alone and Christ go. Or tell the blood clot tales them. Me. That's why, ooh. When me and the girl is a quarrel over here. The girl, the one thing the girl can tell me, say my house dirty. I mean, I live no life. They must come tell me, say my house dirty. And them can walk and dig up my family and background. Them can walk and dig up my family and background and cuss me and tell about my family man and background. No girl, no boy, no secret for me. I remember back in the days when they used to come angle me and class me. And my mother story them use and tell my mother fuck this, my mother fuck her sister man. My sister fuck her type of people. Yet still them can't find them. No cure them dig and search. Them not have no video with me as so good. Them not have nobody can come and say, oh, me used to fuck her. None of that one can't find. Go find it, can't come show me it. Me a top girl, I'm in a classless. When me I go fuck me alone and Christ in the vessel ride out my storm. You know what? Me no follow. For me to the life, me no gonna go with people. Me's alone. Remember one blood clot night. Meet one boy at town and chew me enough. Me go way above Vineyard town. Past St. Joseph Hospital. Well, that place is like past St. Joseph Hospital. Oh, what Vineyard? A Vineyard town it name chart member me of a Vineyard town. Who know what they saw? A Vineyard town it name. A Vineyard town it name. Have you heard Tony name chat? Past St. Joseph after I've been into one blood clot lane. Catch me up, me go make boy pick me up. Pan Wyman Street and Sutton Street corner in a blood clot and jump in a car with boy. When me go to know, so me go take one look drive out. When me go to know the boy one grind, I'm decide say me not grind no, but the boy said take your blood clot out of me house and go in your yard. Me say Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And what me I go do God? I say Father God, I shall walk with faith. Because it move mountain. Me decide to me not grind nobody. And me I tell you say, me walk from Vineyard Town, come round. Pan St. Joseph, that road they come straight down, Place Clan, they come straight down. Take them. Me street smart, me no walk in a lane. Car, when me no walk in a lane, me walk on main road. Car must, anything that happen to me, somebody must pass and sit on the main road. Me not take no lane. Me walk come straight. Me walk come straight cross that road there, come down that big road there, and take out pan Elliston road, go straight out till me reach out, till me pass, till me walk come straight out, so. Pier road. Walk come down Elliston road. When we down Elliston road and I look and Elliston road, I look a corner intersection, then me just walk come straight down pan the bend. Walk come straight out pan the bend. Pass out to the next big four-way there, so. You pass the gully and pass the big four-way, come out there, so we have a long time palace. Out of long time, the old palace, they must move it now. Where they the name palace? Where they look or show or something. They must, to talk good, I know that's supposed to lock down by now. Out of palace, this and walk come straight cross down. Past Pier Gully at the Middle Road. Sometimes at the Middle Road, me a blood clot walk. I must say about after 2 I go to 3 the night. Me. So, me no untouchable Vanny. The streets say me walk with me young. Me no be in farmer. Me no be in farmer. Me go in a Garrison. And the key thing that you don't be in farmer and you see I'm blind here and blood clot deaf. Me no own some will live so long I don't have mouth problem. And laba upon the internet in farmer. Me grow in a Garrison. Me know militancy. I see things that I don't see. Can I come tell me not see nothing? You see me not see nothing. You see me not see nothing. A long time I stay so. Me see me there turn already or juggle. A man on a life side of me. A young man come, I walk in, so me say lady you buy. She said, me say go on home. One of your blood clot you just suck with like brief. Why you say me say lady go on your pussy clot, you dead dog. Move. You buy? Leave. I want at me as so. Me say lady go on suck with man go on your yard. Go on your yard suck with man. Move in front of my blood clot style. Or people come analyze me say me in farmer. Lady move in front of me, yeah. Lady move in the name of Jesus. Angler, you see? What make up myself suck with man? You buying? You buy? You buying something? If you're not buying, you go on your yard? You hear that? Me not see nothing. Because what? You don't know who, me don't know who stand up side of me and listen for me, say something, say me, see, for come take me out later. I saw earth run. You have a smart and me a street smart girl. I run all can everything. Me know the wages of can, Gina shit with a blood clot. Me a papa show. Lady, me not see nothing. Me don't know nothing about nobody. I don't know who you are talking about. Oh, me don't know nothing about nobody. I'm gonna take care of her and the man upon, you know, Akeem. So no. You know, Wackle, me say who name so. You know, Wackle, the boy with on social media with this. So me say with something you talk. I don't know what you talk about. Me kiss and carry me go where me I go. Everyone, you really know Akeem? Me say no. How much of the fear? Me say 1,500. Me say sit here, pay the Uber. You want a man? Me say no. You don't want a driver? Me say no. You like woman? Me say no like that. You don't want a man? Me say nope. Turn up the music. Say really and truly know Akeem? Me say no. I don't know who you attack. You don't know what? I said no. Yeah, me uncomfortable on the ride is one. You must shut up. When I reach where me I go, yeah, when I can call me say, you ask too much blood clot question. I mean, I love man, I love chat. Yeah, blood clot go. Yeah. When I reach my destination, yeah, I'm telling you, yeah, I'm telling you, yeah, no, when I reach my destination, yeah, I'm no, when I want the Uber call me and say, my man, I say, go where I go. My man, you must say mad. You ask too much question for man, and me no love chat. Me no like man, I love chat. And chat too much. At the end, you can't keep on having a drink too much, I say laba. Me no love man, I love blood clot, chat off your mouth. Move. You come question about woman, no know nobody. You come mix me up. No, about nobody, no know nobody. I don't know nobody. Who you attack, I don't know. You can't tell me some know people. I don't know nobody who you talk about. I don't know who you talk about. I say, oh, I know my boyfriend. Yeah, I know him. Somebody look a fool girl. I'm yes. Somebody they look a mascot girl. I'm yes, I'm a boyfriend. I know some see me see me that woman laugh. Tell me more about it. Me no want hear. If it is see me, no, me no want tell me. You and them go work out that. Me no want know. No informer. Somewhere we informer. You ask me about people. Me? No. Me? Gone at the blood clot. There's a whole of things we see. Me and Totoka, we are night owl. We are all carabas. Night walker. We call ourselves the night crawlers. I regular we say man have them woman and towing they look a rugrat them at night. Go business. Oh, you want to come kick you up when they let us say we did see me. Me? No. Yeah. Remember one blood clock man, the boy did there with Toto's sister. I'ma see. In my drawer in one of our friend them. We go grind the night. And now when the store boss out 2 days after say him grind, I mean black my mouth. I say, me see them, I say, me see them, me see them. I just pinch and tell my friend, me see them, I said no lie, me see them. I go up and go and you see him saying, me say yeah, me see them. Now the road me the blood clot there. When the store boss out and Liberty a boss, me sit down and shut my mouth so. I'm my best to pinch and tell him, I say me see them. Can you not guide the fire, you see the two of them, but me don't care. We don't care. I'm no business. Mix up my name and I love for double. All of my life I Garrick me live. Me no like the gated community. Them like now. Yeah. One my composure. What we see, we don't see. What we see, we don't see. And what we don't know, we don't know. But the police can't all and pull me, ask me no question. I don't know nothing about nobody at all. No, ask me to come, I don't know. Me don't know nothing about nobody. Me don't know nothing about nobody. Yeah. Me cannot fuck a man and him say him name. I'm alias a Tom Jones. And sometime when some of the man them unalive, I may say them name Eric Johnson. Who name so? I say the boy name say. Tata say. Me say. Tata say that yeah, for the man know him name. Me say, hey, me never fuck him name, but laugh. Hey, Chad, we are look 2 diamonds on the board. Chad, we are look 2 diamonds on the board, team. We look so on Galaxy. Ask Toto them. No, for true, it's true. One know what? Then me have fuck boy and I enjoy my blood clot wood. Me have time for ask boy with them blood clot name. I since Free sell when I get your older. I start have the interest of boy real name. Sometimes I fuck boy alias, me get them, I just take the alias and take the fuck. That's why I don't know nothing about people. Me I tell you, cause probably if Akim ever come on internet and say him Akim blood clot, him who know him name come and ask him that. Why? Hey, me look with that kill, listen, me said Chad, I don't know nothing about people. It's true. If it's a joke, it's true. No, it's true. I don't know not me. I don't know. Me say me sometimes I take all man when I don't know them name. I don't even know them born. Me don't know so I live this so. I want him have to know live count now. Give me AIDS. I'm not kill no. But I don't know nothing more. As since me get big. Me start to know man real name. One man real name and them some of them beta birth. Some of the man when me taking in my lifetime, I don't even know when them born. I don't even know them mama. For sure, me don't know nothing about people. It's not sure I don't know nothing about nobody. Me just fuck as me please. Yeah, and about have no video with me. I suck no other bite, nothing. Cause when me I go take my man and me, one and Christ. So my rap shit, my secrets them stay between me and the man. And them can't come for that. So, oh, me say grind, I mean, I must own it. Yeah. I saw me don't know about people. So Vanny around, girl, you have to ask about coat. When me I go about my business, me no walk with people. I walk with faith. Yeah. And guidance by God. That me walk with. Me no love going out with people. Me no like crowd of people. When me I go take my man, I've acted out of various hours. Remember one time I used to talk to one boy. Him some kind of soft. Me not go tell a lie. But true, him a kiss me up on my neck. True, him a kiss me up on my neck. And bite up my nipple him. So call my breast and bite up my nipple and play with me clip. Me they kinda like it. But they fascinate but that feeling is so much. So every time him call me, just call my phone and ring my phone and say Hanover Street. So anything what I do, I just think about the feeling and say, the boy got do some things to me now, me I go like, you know, so me I go. So one night, no, me and the boy they on Hanover Street in a one blood clad corner. In a one corner. In a one corner, you know, right behind our father, all along the so at the big broad brown gate. Me say the boy I kiss me up, you know, me I say me get in the moon, me say me all wet, you know. Boy I kiss me up and I take my breast and have in that mouth and I say, oh my God, this is the life. The boy in on the bed. Hey, me say, oh my God. Me say, no man, the boy in off the bed. Me say, when the boy do the things there, man, I can play with my clit and him suck my breast and him kiss me. Me say, oh my God. But wait in a hard, various places, you know. And then I take him, when me say no time for the hood, but the hood not so 100, you know. So me look. I want police chief start. One of the so hands up, see me. I shame. See me hands up, yeah. Them time they the police woman in them Pebbles did that work that night. She that work. I think I she that drive. So she that drive more than she that drive. And I she but the police woman in them Pebbles in night and I must say about 3 other policemen. I mean I tell you, so the man don't say, where one of the so? Hands up, see me here. I'm gonna say, whatever do you so? I'm gonna say, I smell people like, where are you so? I'm say, no, I'm just there so. The local fella. Look at girl, cause you out to your granny now. Oi! Him get a search, you know. He said that boy get a search, you know. I laugh. I say it was so funny. I say, oi, turn on! See me. Officer, I have nothing. We are there, so I'm catty, I'm little catty. I said, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Same say, you got your yard. We live Charles Street. I say, go your yard. So I say, hey girl, go down your yard to your granny. Be there so with man. Go down your yard. Take my little time and shame out. Whoa. Lord God. Hey. They say, oh, don't know him. They say, oh, don't get to know that boy, you know. But I'm going to show you the boy. They say, which boy? I say, I'm going to show you him. Eh? I say, so we had the singer table night. We play round the punch one big load board. Load board big, the big load board them. I play sink up on the table. And I said, to see him there, you know. I say, him. Them I know him woman. So I say, I'm woman, ma. Yeah, I said, Jesus. Book him up at the in a bank. I'm going at the bank. I'm going at the book him up in the bank in the which bank? NCB no Jane Bank. I'm going at the Jane Bank where they go book him up. As you know when I open account you have to try the card first with the pin number everything. So I'm going to the bank and but then the machine I try the card. So I look around. Him say, what? Long time don't see. I say, what? I say, how are you? I say, I'm good. I say, you? I say, I'm there. Say, you remember me? I say, how can I forget? I say, you good though? I say, yeah, man. I there. So I draw one man. I say, ah, silly you. I walk away. If you have blood, I can't have sure. So that did funny though. And one time, you know, this boy look me, you know. I say, alright, this boy look me, you know. I say, alright then. Come when I have another street right at KT, them they go and talk. Me blood clot. I say, to stone me and the man for the whole name. I say, bun me. But it was Me get interest, not get interest. Someone want to come like, Me get interested to get uninterested about Clara. Me I call him. Me get interested. You get an blood clot trusted and a look. Yeah. Mama does a gone at the blood clot days them tried. Gone are the days charm them. Me no roll with people. Me no roll with people. Me alone in the street, so me alone walk all streets. One time I take a bad boy from down a blood clot whole street. Me go link him in off a walk. Sometimes I walk down. Sometimes him live down a south. So sometimes when I go look for him, I take me walk down a Gold Street. Sometimes I would take down a East Queen Street and walk down at the bottom and come up. Now walk one place all 2 times. Me don't come. Me alone walk my school. Me alone walk people. Me alone walk my street. Me going to pay me. Why don't I for me? Me alone walk my street. Why don't I for me? My secrets lie between who and who me take. Yeah. Because sometimes I take some people, they can't know, you don't know nothing about them. I might tell if me your friend. If me your friend that you might know, say, yeah, we are grind, but otherwise, I don't go know about me. I don't really like friend and company that much. Me alone walk the streets and me walk. Crack me look come on gong. Me alone walk a creek when me walk. Me oh baby. I'm gonna pick up informer work. No know nothing about it. I'm gonna some of the man me taking in my lifetime. Me don't know what their name, I'm know what them born. I don't me say, hey. Royal Nisha, biggest something. Royal Nisha, biggest something. You know give for man. All I go on them say, bro, I say pay enough people them here and not give for man, you know. So one time, I take one boy. The boy same name. Boy give me one name. I may tell you say. I got the boy one night, girl one night. The boy them big performance. Right? When the boy done, a piece of thirsty lick me. Me say, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I walk on after demons, me go take up on myself. Some blood clot listen. When I listen, that's why the boy come and everything, you know. I go for sure kind of everything and come lie down, you know me. So what? So, no man. What's a blood clot? Yeah, as me broke my tired, me gonna sleep. Me said Jesus, cause I work on a disaster this. I'm just like a gear, me say me get on in there. I say Father God, what me gonna do now? For release my stress. You know, me did me jerk off myself. I say me rub on my sweat and me rub on my sweat and me rub on my sweat. And so me I rub out my clit, so me I sweat, so me I rub on my sweat and me rub. Me say, I mean I get tired of me say, I get tired of the rubbings, you know. Me nah give up because me after broke. Cause me not broke. Me go wake up with a blood clot, man, and tell you, man, me go go on bad, or me after broke, cause me not broke. Me go wake up with a blood clot, man, yeah. And Ella go broke close because me don't come, me feel unsatisfied. I'm gonna what kind of man this slide alongside a blood clot. Me broke. So thank you, Jesus, me broke. You click, jump everything. And mine said, no, go search for you to put on. So him have him phones on the bed this time, I take it up on them time that 33 10. So you know it's a star. Penny million knows a star and pound key pull it. So I press star and pound key. And I search out the contact and I know it's nothing unusual. I might say go on the message. I'm going on the message. Me one girl type him and say, sit under that. Let's just say sit under that. Let's just say Anthony Miller. See that Anthony Miller is a wicked blood clot boy. And the same way, all you do girl the same, so them are going to do a blood clot sister while working on the bar area. I said, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You know, it's a blood clot boy, tell me same name, Jason. Hey, man, like, hey. Someone who don't man lie in a blood clot, you know? I say, I want to lie. I say, every man when I take in my lifetime, show me a different experience. I say the man tell me same name Jesus and I'm look. I say Bumbo. Me. You see me blood class on to him? You see me turn on to him? I waited 2 days past and him call me. Wagwan. I say Wagwan Anthony Miller. Oh you know my name? I say you so know. You wicked dog shit yo. Dog shit you wicked old drunk. I class him yes. I'm say wicked no blood clot shit out, so I ain't got my phone. You think I argue with him? One girl one time, the one bring her out to me for and to me keep me control, me just take one with the man girl. Where one girl, they don't want to argue me over. I say girl, go on with the little man, no man. Cause you know about me? You go like him with big. Now that about me. Mr. Little Lady go on with the man, no girl.
Bentley and Lambo, me need them guys. Give the family thing them.
Well, it look good. Me saw my blood clot. Look, me say the man tell me say. Man tell me say him name so and so my love. Me say so me no mankind wicked no blood clot. You my dirty man, yeah?
This is for Dell and his. Wait.
Me say
They are drink so many.
I saw me. Watch out, how would you say? Ready, cheers. I'm sure the dirty man tell me same name, blood clad.
What a blood clot.
Don't say me say blood clad, a mankind wicked na pussy clad. Yeah, look. Yeah. Alright. Man come because man to man is so unjust, wicked.
Best, but them best, no one best, man. I call them fucking like a deer sick, them best.
Oh, go on now, Rosalie.
Not a thing.
Believe me, I'm just there in the camp, you know?
So you come across Brit Sunday, fa?
Oh, Brit, you have a time when you want him cussing, you know? You come like if me not cussing sometime, you don't feel good, so when he request me, I have to just cuss him, you know?
That never make no sense.
I him want him, and I want to ask someone.
Brittany, is that true?
You know that's not true.
I know that's not true. It's sweet, yeah. Brittany, is that true? You want Zozo to cuss you?
Not at all.
I know that's not true. Zozo, you must stop it. Me now recommend that you have to stop it.
Oh, I go on, Rosalie.
Nothing, man, not there. What you doing?
Me there, I'm also try to find a way out of this blood clot place, I know.
They want bread!
Jesus Christ. Now I wonder which blood clot church you had me walking at.
With what?
Salt your pussy clot.
We do
I'm going to take a wash off. I'll know if me gift girl or can't fill out.
Me, I want to fill out neither.
Me did the A1, my job from A1, gone soon reach a A3. Now get the fragment them again. But me there, man, Rosalie, man. Me there same way I go and believe, you know?
You work hard and believe?
Rascal, from when the pussy them now, I'm gonna put up the next 2 belt in them.
Lower?
From when me can put up the next 2 piece of belt in, only one me can put up. Come like them say me I move too fast.
Say I build house.
Yeah, them say me I move too fast. Then slow down your bread for me now. Then slow down your bread for me now. Used to buy steamed fish now, blood clot, bully beef and rice and them have to beat now.
Sometimes fasting, sometimes
The way they have gas me I cook pan now, me have to put coal pot around my back of my yard. I have to
Go buy a gas is 4,000 for your gas, 2 wicked zozo.
Jesus Christ, Rosalie, man, tell us you don't look good.
I 5,000 pay for one gas yesterday, see there, we can gas done for me too. So what are you saying?
Me I go and beat the wood fire still, you know?
Me not like wood fire food, because now when the fire stink up the whole place and it tastes nice food.
If it's true, sometimes the mosquito them there and night time, me like for light me fire, you know?
The wood
James.
fire food not nice.
James, let me tell you this, James.
It absorb. Whereas if the wood not burn out in high fire, it tastes up in high food.
True, man. So I go on differently, Rosalie. Jamaica, you there?
No? Look what I'm in Jamaica.
Okay. True. Boy, Prudence is a smile from his face, Rosalie. Can't top smile.
That first gift times
A
3.
smile like along, so.
That first gift times 3. What this something look like. What time
Begging something on the
expire?
trip now. Begging something on the trip now. First gift times 3. You see me tell about them people, yeah? Rascal, lad. Come like for them money glued down in them pocket. Chat tripper. Boy, may I tell you now. Right now, feel like you're back here, you can't take my money, huh? Cause this don't look good.
Do you buy a car?
In the pocket, eh?
You buy a car? You buy a car?
Yeah, remember one car already, you know?
What to it?
Not do it.
So we got sell back a car for?
I want the money to finish up the place, I know.
So I am prudent to go live in night?
Oh, I'm done up the place, man, is it?
Look out and believe.
True, man. Friends, I can't believe, man, Rosalie. A true thing, man. Prudent, and tell me that, you know?
I'm just tell you.
Ask lad, how much me want new girl and me want bumbo clad, work her hard, and I'm not the Zoe which she met from day one. She talks some breeder things more to pussy clad Rosalie, but my brain feel like say want go on vacation. All I talk about how you feel like me have, all in the talk about you feel like me have crush on you, every woman. So from the other day, me I tell her so nothing like that.
So Britney Fist and Zozo like me?
Yeah, sometimes I feel like he have one crush upon you. He obsessed with that girl.
Hey! Really?
He obsessed with you every time
he
he
say
see
me
you.
have crush on.
He obsessed.
Ask lad, they want to hear him now sometimes. Sometimes he clap some things for me that to pussy clad.
So you have a crush for me for you?
Eh?
You have a crush for me for you?
No man, change the more me ever trouble and them thing the boy. Every two more me with a boy anytime I sing about Rosalie, me get a viral. As me start sing or do anything, he start talk about this and
Yeah, but the main focus supposed to be on Brit or you focus upon me.
No, me must say algorithm me a deal with, you know.
For your have Brit, you have all type of algorithm. And the great Brit we are
Me
dealing
show you what I go on now, Rosalie. Me will tell Prudence and me and him do two little thing for vibes of a place and Prudence not upon that.
Like what?
As in like go on the two little content more while, the two little drama stuff more while. And him just a dope me thing them. You know them one day?
Look, me not like when the class are, you know?
More, me tell her, so me and her go do two look, you know, like, two look prank on them, look something there.
So when you over your class are content?
Oh, and the class are over here, like, they cuss her up on the phone.
Pan live.
A trolling game where I play. Trolling game. Yeah, take down moment, you know?
so we can't take the one we love.
No, because at the end of the day, no, if me feel her, then my relationship, me and her on me there, it not gonna work. Me don't know about that part there. See, if me and him sit down and say, we go do a little bit of a thing now, it kind of short.
So beating is trolling too.
When me beat her, if I troll her, no, man. No, sir, I'm not beat her.
Brit, him not lick you.
No, not
Him not
really.
lick you. Him not beat you. So what them pop off here we go him do? I lick the head of walk. Oh, so you're a liar.
Why?
I see Zozo.
Hey.
One thing Brit love you, you know?
But I know a normal piece of girl that sit down over there still, no.
And that's in your house there.
No, you know, they in my house now. In Ghana, per yard.
No, at the background that she have what day when she there when lick her in her head and tear her for a wig. You know Brit house.
You have AC in the house, making sure you have AC.
She not there yard.
Me there, me house.
Let me see all blow up her Brit eye.
Me? No, sorry, there she catch, man.
Brit does on a beat you.
No, not her, no. I wouldn't say that. Me
When
and
we
him
done?
fight, like, me and him fight as in, he might hit me, me I hit him back. Me not like,
Alright, more tell you what I go on Rosalie. So you see me and him kick off Rosalie. When you see me and him really kick off for true, no cappings, he just provoking. Alright, me way over here, son. Alright, now, me show you what I go on. Me way over here, son, I say, boy, more run too much with somebody. Say, for instance, then, me see somebody from nowhere, and I know him, and he have smoke, and he have vibes. And me say, then every second me play them, me make a money. Me rascal, lad. Prudent start for someone, fuck that money there.
Is that true, Brit?
sometimes.
So you told us over Zozo.
Yeah, because it depends on the stuff them why I'm a talk with them. So sometimes like him a flirt, I don't know if I because when they play that them I get coins, but sometimes he take it serious that he start flirt and don't even realize him a flirt. And that's when I will just start to say weird stuff.
Look at your face, pretty. Zozo don't want nobody but you, you know?
In just, boy, I don't know. Rosalie, me not tell you no time, me not tell you no line of Rosalie. It's when me and her just met, and in the a film league, and more, when you see me more than me and David Depar in our town, and me with over David more and David Van Yada doing live, like as in the play with you, and Roger them and whosoever you always play with, and me and her the talk, as in me and her the talk, me and her, they go pick her up in a rental and then thing there and carry her go out. And when in Ghana, yard in the on live and I play with his friends them, when you know from over here, so me and them
That
they
one
play.
man catch your speed.
Me and them they play no match. When I tell you no lie, is that Britney there? Me I tell you say in a real life, them time then did focus on making bread. But me now work a clock in a film brain. He just start act weird when I
Oh,
time.
say that one fake. You do your thing per life and she do your thing per life.
Yeah, because I end the day in a Rosalie.
Understand?
I end the day in a Rosalie. What you pray, man? Remember, say, man, a fool in a Rosalie.
Yeah.
I remember, say, I end the day, I whole heap of people give me my credit by helping her out and know, say, yo, I'm here and her there. And I did it for her. So, who do want to make them people feel a way for know, so them I give me credit. And then go take back the credit. For know, so alright, then boom, me and Prudent there. And then I go over here, so I $30 to look a girl way. Them is nobody. You know they look around there. Me all about my brother in Rosalie. I brought me to do this thing for her. Take down people, you know. I'm with troll with two people, you know, like fuck around and them little style, you know, but me not pass my remarks with certain people and them little style, you know. So I end the idea, you know, I don't know what Prudent that means. Prudent just start meds the wrong way and start fuck around until Every second he just ningy, make me and him fear kick off, ball heap of time. See y'all take all one of my iPhone them mash up the other day so you can foolish. But oh me at this and me at that. Be a bag of fuckery in the more while.
Does you buy back your phone?
Buy back my phone, no sir. Some of those there I know sir then. I don't understand him now, no, Rosalie. I just understand me have an understanding him, no. But me say me there, so alright, I go and calm see with her. I know say I prudent that. You see, pray. Cause what she are going to do right now still, you know. And everybody can keep up with that, you know. As in a real life, some things when doing a more while, we know some man do certain ball game, you know. And pull off some cat by me, you know.
What did that John Crayer?
That's good.
Motherland.
Where says Zozo? So she say, I look at a woman, but I don't think I look nobody.
Nah, I hear
I hear him neither.
you.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
But you can't have type board. Bit of the medication?
Yeah. Why you ask?
Because some of the at types of the side effects of the meds.
What they say?
Medication.
Hey, brother, I'm gone.
I didn't back. You never need the medication.
I don't think so. Doctor, they never tell me that.
Yeah, end the match.
How make we never hear him?
Chat with gal, we look some Richard, we look some Galaxy, we go away.
Yo, you hear me now?
Yeah.
Oh. Call me there,
Oh,
sir.
Valley, no better than
You follow him?
Yeah, you seen content them?
No.
Oh.
Rose, press for me and Rose, yeah, the mister.
What?
Press for me and watch the content them, man. You go laugh, you know? I didn't go see you, I'm going to check you.
But I don't need to stress when I'm watching the content. It's me what people content. Chat triple.
So much for your content.
I mean, have a content for your watch.
I mean,
Chat beg on something that 370.
Use the times 3, Shamar. Thank you, bye.
See it? Can't get a snowman from you. Why am I telling you to come like you don't get pay slip at all?
Do you feel like you want to stop take them or not?
No, it not make me feel so. It just make me feel like take it because me I get better and better when I take it.
Oh. That's why if you behave yourself.
I behave myself. Him can't tell us how I behave myself, you know. I'm not that provoking, you know. I'm not that provoking as he make it sound. Him having time when he provoke me as well.
Provoke you? Me provoke you?
So, Mark, a question, but him fuck you good?
Of course.
but the cap.
No, sir, not that cap.
Better than. You say you're better than you chat too much in about what cap? If you stop it, I'll let the people them. Chat one more rose.
Chat 2 rose my side. Beg on 2 rose chat. Beg on 2 rose. Beg on 2 rose chat. Beg on 2 rose. My side, me can't get 2 rose.
Yeah, one more rose to catch his speed.
That's God. Hey, me I tell you, so on people, if me follow on to pussy club, me can't go to supermarket. Can't go gas station.
How much are they in our ranking?
I want me there 35. 35.
You don't get something. How much Brit there?
I want Brit.
I'm not in there.
You know in there?
I'm not in there. Me have 14K, 16K.
But Brit not talk for nothing then?
Me I talk about
Use the double chat. Use the double. Use the
Double
double chat.
chat.
Use the double.
Chat if you use the double and have more money gone.
Use the double, my side. Use the double.
That double chat.
Boy, man, I'm telling you, youth.
Then
Can pepper spray
shoot.
some on.
Alright, me I get some gift now.
Double chat.
She can pepper spray some on blood clot. One of those, boy, man, I'm telling you, hey, TikTok should have one rule, you know. One of them come over here. So once you join the live, say if you join the live, we do 100k pound, or 200k, or 1 million kind. You can't left back the live until you send off it. I swear, else it go expire and come off on the phone. Yeah, once you join my live and have 2 million or 3 million kind, you can't left the live there. You have to just spend it on the live there and cut. Yeah, I swear, me I tell you no.
No, I would have been better off.
No, for them better off right now.
They can't join the live and have kind of shoot for their friend. They have to know so they have to wait on their friend.
I just know, sir, right then. That and that. Once you join the live, you have to just left where you have and go on. But I'm not telling you, youth. Want a rose, bro. Go get your sister, my killer. I know you used to that, man. Get your sister and buy one charger, too. Where you come from, the heap of bag of capping. So, Rosalie, you cool out.
Might as well listen, I get none.
So, I go on for X1, Rosalie.
No, out the door.
Oh, you sell it?
For the your brighties, I'm going to send my first car on my buy. I'm never sell it yet. Probably next year.
Alright.
So you drive it?
No, I can't drive, Brit.
What do you mean by what to work, pussy?
What do you mean you can't drive?
I work me there.
Can't drive.
Workplace this.
I don't believe that.
Can't start it, but I can't. I know if I do my thing, but
You not ready for traffic yet?
no, I'm not ready for it out the road yet.
True.
Ready
You
for
really
out-
believe so Rosalie with a bike car and can't drive?
No,
Which
man,
way
not
you
go
want to
come
drive?
on, cap, man.
No, I'm not cap. I'm not cap a blood clot.
So, Rosalie, you never see one series yet?
No, me hear about it.
You go sell the food there.
Oh. See if I can see it right after.
And I bring money if I buy one series.
That's in a Rosalie, you can see it under there, so?
May I see the white car, yes?
Alright, I eat that, man.
Then I bring money if I buy one car.
For brick money, help me buy a car.
You want to send one wheel, no?
You know, me now cap on that I do a Rosalie. Some item went for brick, but I not all right, you know? He went squander some of my money. And he went to give me back one little piece of food, you see it?
If you custard stone, that's how you want your money.
Yeah, he did have one little piece of bread for me still, man.
How much bread should that for you?
He did have actually say, alright then, boom, he went give me one little piece of food and he have actually say when I say 150, you know? And he come with more on that. You know? He come with more on that. So I just take everything when he give me. And I like my bully him and take it from him, you know. He will know say if he give me a piece of money and he go give him a pussy. So he know say he give him go give him a pussy. It would have cost him a little piece of rare. So he come up with everything and know so alright then. He go seal off the bait and know so alright.
So Brit, you did take you make Yankee fucking for you? No,
I
what's
never
up?
hear the story.
Me no appeal I had story over there, so.
Well, things happen, girl.
No, we are full of appeal I had story.
Huh?
Oh, we are full of appeal I had story. Maybe it's with people and them like had story. So, alright, so she got give you the crutches. You have to give money feed.
No, I didn't tell him to do that, but I think he can come and say, boy, Wrangler.
How much money she give Wrangler?
Much money he give me?
Yeah.
How much money you're saying give me? And then
You
how
not
much
hear no
money give me?
story.
Okay.
So if you can't talk, you can't talk, nobody saying.
500. 500.
500 toes to give away the pussy.
Aye.
So me can. Alright, Wrangler.
High brick.
5 I straight on them.
So you take car back?
So who am I talk to her now?
Me never pay for take me back, so they're too fucking bright.
I'm taking back, man.
Yo, what's it? Press pan the Galaxy the one night time.
I'm say a woman in here, man. A prudent in here, man. So,
They could have take her back without she give money.
well, me take him back without him give me money still. As since me take him back on some style, it come like in just, you know. Yeah, I ask him, me take him back before he ever give me money. I like you and say, take me back. No, sir. When being I talk to him back, you know. Have him around on some style. And one day he just surprise me with the bread, you know.
Chat,
Just leave me make your bread cold. Just I go use up your bread now.
So that's why you cuss her son about you want bread? That's why you cuss her.
Me nah cuss her, man. If you focus on nothing,
life with the knife and the blood clot will in your ears. I tell you be a blood clot full. Hey girl, I want bread. Let me get my. When I them day when they leave my shit, they're gonna call police by enemy. I tell you those they need to stop, take up your shit.
But I take up my shit more than go do some wrong things, you know?
Love and the support.
That's what people say, me Chris.
I wonder, we should have can borrow money from TikTok. I'm gonna borrow on $10 million right now.
Yeah.
So where I get him back?
I wouldn't come back. My account. I would never come back over here. Borrow it and go for good. What do you mean?
So them people can come in my inbox and say, man, where you heartbroken?
Buy 110 goat. Buy a couple pig. Buy around brand new Benz. Build up your house down.
$10 million can do all of them something there.
Put all on the shop out on the front. I done it over here, sir.
That can do all the way, I say. You need more. No go say ya Zozo.
What's in the chat?
Rosalie, you can't walk, man.
Out I 700 down.
US, bro.
I'm just lazy.
10 mil US, bro. What you bring, man? 4 mil. 4 mil, get 1 B some more. I'm not buying no, you know, I'm not buying no Benz, I'm not buying no 5 series. Yeah. 5 series, I'm nice enough. I'm buying no 5 series. I run a 7 series, them. Please, no, man. I'm going to borrow more than, bro. I'm going to borrow 40 million from them. 40 million I'm going to borrow from them.
I'm not even a port up the screen. I'm not going to go so cold to the woman. I'm going to watch Converse over.
Well, them people are come like a whole long for my life. 300 people and I can't pass 36. So that's why I'm not really accommodate to know over here more while. Yeah, in real life.
I'm not port up the screen, bro.
I really like when you town and son of a dirty dog bed, you.
And people like them come over here beg on junk. I just want to know if we port up his screen. I look up on the FYP, so when I meet them, can say I'm going to 55 Lion and 24 Universe.
Don't man chat, see times 3 I come, second times 3 guys. Come on. Beg me a little bit or something. Me a look chat.
Maya, let's put your phone onto the cup.
Oh, 7 series. Yeah, bro.
So 2 years to get this speed. Blessings.
Yeah, bro. Believe me.
Blessings. Big up yourself. One more person that alright, that is it, Mac.
Uno na port up the screen. Uno na repost the live. Uno na seminar Lion. Uno na seminar Universe. Uno just one day so I listen and I skin off on a bumbo clad teeth like life funny. Life
yes,
funny, you know?
I wonder who can come send more line now. Like Rosalie sit down up in her chair, buddy.
If we get like, we might buy it, blessing up in my chair.
This is a place active.
Thank you for the prayers, the kind words, the cash, the kind. It was greatly
I
appreciated.
don't care one thing.
You're watching it, bro. What really depend on 9 you know, father?
Mama, here we go on, man. Mama, here we go on, man.
You know already,
Here
so
we go on, man, mama.
you guys have been
Having a car is one thing, but maintain and for it will make your teeth.
mommy from
I think
Canada.
I'ma
the
come down and fire,
When I go
man.
suck out the man, I go dead pussy. More get someone for pies.
Not like I eat that.
Thank you.
Maintain my be mama, never yet, my head never at me yet, and I never yet think for got teeth. Every time if I insure my car, I can do that. Every time if I service, I can do that. As bad as thing may be, I always put on one little break for that pussy all the way, see. At that, I make you know. So that I be mad enough to run short a blood clot now. Dog shit. Same thing with the 7 Series. Any vehicle at all, my boy. Me have to maintain that. Oh. That is a big 13. That is a big 13 price. I don't really want to talk to you though. On the broke, I don't really like to talk to broke people. I don't really want to talk to people and have things. I don't really want to talk to you. I don't know no money. It's back a broke reason to do that now go nowhere. Yeah.
Sometimes someone just forward pan people like if you can hold them down, you know, like. Because I know someone not too rate me, you know, just do your so can wait for sitting for happen. For no can skin off for no teeth. I mean, you depend that you no more, you know.
Rosalie, when there's a school I open back, Rosalie.
I think at the 14.
John, I have got to take it. Chad, later we're going for now. You see, first day we go on the day.
Yeah, I don't know, back to school giveaway, Rosalie.
No.
The girl in the car, I know some Marvin, my people, this is unbanned. I don't want them no clearer than this on it. And I still fish when I was a little girl. You gotta be real quiet on the creek. Annie, the pan ticket, I'm like, don't you want to come off Annie? Why are you like a boy? That's why you're picking and I feel sugar and the wire.
Rosalie.
I got the same age. I got the same.
When my next birthday I come, I'll give me a hat to my party.
When your birthday?
April, you know?
Yeah. April the way.
April the 20th, my birthday.
Okay.
After my birthday, man, drop a beam of still in a Rosalie.
Let's do Jericho and his story. What do you not sure? Yeah, I saw me telling that people business.
Little boy, and immediately life, we don't go in a nipple, you know. I say, I feel baby, you know. Yes. Big ass, 6 feet, and a big old hole, and it was a kick. And a young boy, them water pan and shit, and it can. Then I respect the little dirty boy.
That times 2.
And you have the little dirty
That
boy.
times 2. What way up on the times 2?
And I beat them.
Times 2 on the side.
And receive
something of them my side. I can't beg on something chatting, I can't send more land. I'm begging on surprise and I can't send more land, get over as active around universe. Well, no, let's make a thing look shaky or whatever. I'm not suck out to no mama, and I'm begging on a gift for you for now. I'm not gonna suck out to no mama, I'm big and think of shit now. And that's how I look at dirty fall off people. Big and think of shit and what this now.
Yeah, how are you?
The dirty low life people may come over here and slow up my life, dude. Slow them and slow up man thing.
That what I change in that 40 hours, not even a port up screen. That at night time no one know a frost off of me. I don't know how to do a skin off on a bum buckler teeth.
600 people over here, I can't get one money done.
Me have 10 penny for send to school, you know.
What people over there?
600.
Yeah, what do you...
Me I talk, me I talk.
shaky.
If you tap that, me say that you me I talk to.
Why me no know youth? I feel I wonder for somebody in my family can my name go Saint man them can rise over this post up in hard. Who bury my name on the bumbuckler ground? Who put my name on the shoes bumbuckler under him soul? No sir. I check 10 floors and we can't get the even 5 of them. No sir. This can't real at all. Send it back
The
to the
same thing we
center.
do on my side. We could get 10 rows neither.
Try double.
I figure out me G. I forgot what that you tell me.
At 12 o'clock, me I go, me I go stay so with so much I want for the me I set it in the house and night, I'm mad. I soon gone on my bed. Me I go swing a long time there from 5 o'clock and go and restart. And the rest of me not slow with so much I only I saw blood clot.
Why me I telling you out?
Bumbuckler boss said press pan the bumbuckler wheel until tomorrow me give back. Tomorrow when we start up back to live, me give back daddy. Sealer. I wish you want Malta. I'm digging her belly with Malta.
The man, an old white man come from my life in the night and I put on in glasses. And then put on in glasses, he make me send me all one line and he send the first line. He see all my reaction to pussy clot and start laugh. Then all 40 of them.
I kick him out and kick on the phone screen.
Half clot.
Is it anniversary?
Rosalie. Rosalie, you keep on party with you.
Friends them must school.
You keep on party with you. Oh.
Not here, you know.
Yo, Wrangler. Brother, what's your name, man, brother? If you recharge and send me 2 gift, bro, you recharge and send me gift, brother. I don't really want nobody to talk to me for free, you know. I want nobody to talk to me for free, bro. I'm a big artist over here, so bro. No one not talk to me, bro. You can't talk to me for free, bro. And if I try to get too better than her Prudent or Rosalie to talk to me out. Them no answer, you can't talk to me.
Me dear.
When I did them, I take 2 pictures. See it, Rosalie?
I come and play one more, soon gonna about my business.
Yeah, when better than fly down Rosalie, you go swing come here too, you see me?
Aye.
When better than come in our place, man.
When better than I come in that place.
Dog go drop on I get on I crown them and we go skate come up, sir.
Town me live.
Yeah, I know, man. Me and the man Prudent to push come up there in a big grill crown, you see me? Now I'm going to drive the beamer.
Triple chat. So where you better than?
Chicken sandwich.
I last match me happy. I can't tell them bag of one. Can't tell the 1,000 people slump on me pan.
Rosalie, you said I go down and make her. Go drink 1 2 bottle of Remy Martin.
Taboo.
I'm more in that Jeep with the Rosalie.
I want that things I want to say, but I don't want to look too mixed up.
You know Rosalie?
Daima used to be your friend.
You know Rosalie?
Then,
well, the woman attack. What you say?
Then Daima used to be your friend. Marvin and Lammy used to talk. Then now Lammy and Marvin don't talk no more. Daima and Marvin a talk.
Yeah.
That mix up.
But the girl talk about time out. Those where you come. Wow. You buy more wet in a party? Me no drink more wet.
Me have start with them, I bust one more in my car. Nah, G.
Why?
Bust off one more in there.
Why?
Come there, top of the pinnacle where there.
And that's why your blood clot fall off here too. Show up, drinking more than a bus in a car. Your pussy clot.
Bust off one more in a Jeep over there.
The Brit, what have to do with you?
Just run for my mind.
Me see them too on the FYP.
Me see them too.
Yeah.
Let's FYP nasty.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make her again. I'm make a taboo. Me not gonna stay so with so much on them. I go away now. Nah, stay so with so much on them. I can't. That last match me I play in my life. Everybody town gonna so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm come back out. Can't so with. And I go to my town and can't get them. I'm not see the sense in that. Like me can't do like before Zozo driving car go up in blood clot woman and watch one moving. You still gonna pay for $33.50. Now what do you?
Oh, well, you know, so Rosalie, I just chill, we are chill, Rosalie, we don't really know bother we do, because say and that day, we are believe, you know. You see me? We just go on normal. Now, touch out the car in the night, because what man, them come tomorrow, come belt up this side there, you know.
What am I car, them back sit round?
Yeah, then go back up this side there, you see?
I realize. So, yeah, when you are casting, for your casting, you good, you know?
Yeah, man, but that I try to deal with, man. I want to get in some more material.
But I don't move with them bag on your means.
Hungry.
So
Something. You're not giving nothing tonight.
What?
You're not giving nothing tonight.
Me not get nothing for them. I go left them there.
I go where I go to.
I him for go up him woman a night now. Look at that chill pan TikTok we that got talk about.
Rosalie.
Wow.
I can't send the people them for come give me.
You don't go out with Zozo.
Yeah. You come give me for Joe.
Because they not run a joke because if them not give nothing, they're gonna give you. Go on, man. You don't go on over there, please.
Chat, you come send me some gift for Joe.
That's something I have to really wrong with you. If me,
Rosalie support it, if you didn't start give me for Joe. Rascal, be a lion or something.
When?
Oh, tonight. Remember say anything I say a lie, you know.
Those are something really wrong with you.
Then we give me for Joe, man.
If me over here for a night and them not send me none, how them I gonna send you?
No, maybe think you're alright. Then you rate the selling of Rosalie.
Yes, but I tell you, if them not give me, oh, you'll get it.
Oh, because, you know, maybe the system want a roof over me still, so then we can try a little thing. Maybe not rare, but then we do a little thing.
What we are doing?
An idea them, Rosalie, you see me?
And left Zozo.
Somebody send more Rosa. Big up. Somebody send more Rosa a while ago. At least me get near it.
The little boy, yes. Hate him.
If you not look more.
Me play one more match about going. Chat the last match for night, me come after that.
You this is somebody, you know. No, Sabro, no doing something there.
Last match.
Come in now. Come in on my side. Rep. I see a snow wolf in a gift girl.
Chat double.
Chat begging us something there. Lock me and open it back. Let me see one gift.
Chat double. You was not pay me no mind for tonight, man. Realize me come on for a night. Oh, what? Me get one gift. Bagadan. Thank you for the hand art. I appreciate you.
58 for Zozo later. Can't with my phone, she say.
Alright, look at more Rosalie.
Chat me can't allow them the phone, she say. At 3 minutes to 12 and the night is over. I go pray and go to bed. Blessed God, I thank you for every single gifters that come pass through my life today. I thank you for health. I thank you for strength. Thank you for food. Make them food basket never empty. Guide them, give them health, strength, and food. Make them food basket never empty. Father God, I thank you. Cover my family, cover our family, with kids, them with job, everything we in and out, we're going in and out and coming in. Amen. Yeah. I'm so you guys tomorrow at 2 minutes to 12. Yeah, me have 2 more minutes if me come after 12 o'clock. But it's finished. What am I gonna do? It's done. When the night is done, the night is done. When the night is over, the night is over. And that's what I say. So later, guys. Podcast your life or something.